By default, if you open a media file in PotPlayer, it renders the file in a new instance of the player. If you want to open the media files only in the main single instance of the PotPlayer, right-click in the player and click Preferences. Click General from the left pane. The contextual settings appear on the right. Under the General settings, expand Multiple Instances. Select one of the options to disable it. Finally, click Apply and OK. Now all the media files will open in the single instance of the PotPlayer.